What's going on, everybody? In today's video we are going to be gifting a Steam gift card, right? So we're gonna be doing this through Steam, just in case you guys know you got friends' birthdays, family members' birthdays coming up. What better thing to give them than the gift of gaming, right? So we're gonna open up Steam, right? Steam's right here. We're gonna open this up. Now there's a couple of ways to find this. Usually you can find a gift card area here at the top of the store, or you can simply go to search store and then type in gift card. Whenever you type that in, you got your Steam gift cards here. So we're gonna click on that, and you can choose to either gift a digital gift card, which is what you should be doing, or you can be weird and send them a physical gift card, which is gonna take forever for them to get. Totally up to you. But in this case, we are going to send a digital Steam gift card. So we're going to click on this. Now after that, you're going to have an option to select how much you want to send. Totally up to you though. You can send up to 100 at a time. We're going to send 50 here. And then you're going to choose who it is you want to go through. Send my gift directly through Steam, or you could send it through an email if that's something you feel more comfortable with. However, it's my brother's birthday, so we are going to be sending this directly to him. So you select the person that you want and then go ahead and continue, and then you are going to have to put their first name, and then you can write them a little message. You can also put your sentiment, whether it's best wishes, game on, whatever it is that you want here. I'm just going to put enjoy here, and then you're going to put your signature. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on continue. And this is where you're going to put your payment info. Now, you could do it through PayPal, which is usually what I have linked. If you need to put your credit card information, you can choose that. In this case, we are going to use the credit card, and that's going to bring this up. Obviously, all of my information is blocked out because nobody needs to know that. But you'll put all of your information, including your credit card number, the expiration date, and your personal information here. So let me do that really quick. And then once you're done with all that, you're going to go ahead and click on continue, and that's going to bring you to the review page, which shows you how much you're going to gift, your total, and then again in this area right here to the right is your personal information. Again, you guys don't need to see that, but it's all good. After that, you click on I agree to the terms and then purchase. After that's all done and said, it says thank you for your purchase, and email confirmation has been sent to me, which you might hear that popping up here in a sec. Your gift is on its way, and then you've got my account name, the total amount, and the confirmation code, which again you guys probably don't need. So that is it. That's the way you send a Steam gift card, or gift code in this case. And hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.